and welcome back to Ashley Your Life. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to do this quick, fun little hairstyle. Okay, so it's a Friday night. Matt and I are gonna go out to dinner and do a little date night, and my hair is just kind of like out of control today, and so I kind of want to do some kind of fun little updo. And lately I have been watching Selling Sunset, which is like a TV show on Netflix. That's a reality show showing all these like realtors, mostly girls, actually all girls except for the two guys that own it that are twins. Anyway, none of that matters. It's just a reality show I've been watching lately, and a lot of the girls have a lot of fun hairstyles, but there's this one girl, I think her name's like Chrissy, something like that. Anyway, she has like long blonde hair. She's kind of like the bad guy on the show, you could say. But anyway, she does a lot of fun hairstyles, and a lot have to do with like little braids. So I'm gonna do an inspired look by her. So not necessarily the look she's done, but an inspired look. And sometimes she does like a fun updo with like a braid here and a braid here. I think I'm just gonna do a little braid right here. And like 5 seconds ago, I was just in my bathroom about to do it by myself. And then I was like, why do a fun hairstyle by myself when I could do a fun hairstyle with you? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is part my hair where the braid's gonna go. So I already have a pretty good part right here, but I'm just gonna even it out just a little bit. See how that's a little zigzag right there? There we go, that's pretty good. I don't need it to be perfect. There we go. And I'm just gonna take this hair just like this, and I'm gonna put it in front of my face, and I'm gonna take all my other hair and just tie it back. Just like that, to get it out of my way when I do this little braid. Now, if you do not know how to braid, I've done multiple classes on how to braid, so I'll link those up there. So I'm just gonna start with this first part. We're gonna do an inside out braid. So I'm going to divide this into 3 pieces, 3 equal pieces, hopefully. And I'm just gonna start to inside out braid. Point where I can't pull any more hair into the braid, I'm just going to braid this top part just a little bit. And then I think, let's see, I'm gonna pull a little out. Okay, there we go. Now in the show, it's like super tiny braids, and they're kind of pulled back really tight to the head, which I'm not really a fan of. I like to like give a little bit of volume, so I'm just gonna kind of tuck this forward. I've talked about this before when I did my side poof braids, but we're just gonna tuck forward. And I'm gonna take a bobby pin, and I'm actually going to push it forward into my head. I'm gonna do one on this side and one on this side. There we go, it's super cute. Then I can take the rest of my hair down. I'm gonna redo this one on this side because the bobby pin feels a little bit loose. Perfect. And I'm actually gonna grab one more bobby pin. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna put one more bobby pin down the center, kind of overlapping the other 2 bobby pins. Oh, there we go. It feels a lot more secure. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tease a little bit. And it might make your bobby pins come loose, but just push them back forward. And then from here, I could tease it more and just leave that as like my fun little hairstyle, but I kind of want to wear my hair up tonight because it's a little warm here in California today, so we're gonna wear our hair up. So I'm just gonna throw it up into a messy bun, which I also have a class for, of course. Oh my gosh, so fun. And then I like little wispies, so I'm just gonna pull a few hairs down around the face. And then if there's any like things you need to fix, I just kind of take a big tooth comb and I kind of pull hair out and tuck it in. And then another little fun thing I like to do to make my messy bun even sloppier is I like to tease the messy bun with a big tooth comb. So I kind of just attack it and tease. So it's like super messy. And then I actually flip my bun upside down and spray it with hairspray that way, and then flip it up. That way it's extra messy, and then we can spray the braid. And of course, I'm using my favorite Suave Pump hairspray. It's the best, it smells good, and it's inexpensive. Now I always say this, and it's so important to check the back of your head. The front could look great, but make sure you look at the back of the head. I like how crazy messy it looks. And now it's just time to accessorize. And there you have it. I'm all accessorized. And I know I said it's like warm here in California right now, and you're like, Ashley, why are you wearing a sweater? I'm aware of that, and I'm warm now, but I also am aware that the sun's gonna go down and it's gonna get a little bit chillier, and where we're going to go to dinner has a lot of outdoorness. Like, it's like an indoor-outdoor mall kind of thing, and it's 3 stories. So I don't wanna be cold, so I did put on a scarf. It'll make sense later. It just doesn't make sense, like, but I'm gonna be cool and then warm later. But yeah, that's my cute little hairstyle for the night. I just thought I'd share. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you try this sometime soon. Until then, make sure to like and share so other people could like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. It's already cooled down so much so my scarf will be necessary, just in case you're wondering. But my hair's still super cute. So we just had a little bit of the weirdest experience. So we went to that dim sum place that we've been to one time before, and we wanted to try it again. And since the last time we've been there, they totally like changed their menu, and they changed how they did things, and the service was just not good, and they forgot some of our orders, so we just canceled it and left and came to this Mexican restaurant that we really like, and we just like split something since we already had like appetizers. But I'm in the bathroom right now because it's so loud. They have a band playing, and it was so crazy because there was just a couple, and they just got engaged like right in front of us, and it was so cute. I'm not sure this is the place I'd want to get engaged at, but it was still really adorable. And now we're gonna go find some place to have dessert. But my hair is holding in there. Perfect. Thank you. Creamtella.
Thanks so much.
So we got a creamtella. It's a cheesy, creamy dessert. I have no idea what it tastes like. We have no clue, but we're gonna try it. I just snuck a little bite. Don't tell Matt. That's pretty good.